Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe below. My name is Elsie and today we'll be washing the blankets. So first thing first, we're going to fill the tub with water and then add handful full of detergent. And now we can start our washing. So guys, we are going to set 15 minutes because the blankets are very dirty, and the blankets are not like clothes that are used or they are washed on like weekly. So we're going to leave it for 15 minutes. That will be enough. Yeah. So guys, as the washing continues, I decided to prepare this matoke for my twin babies for lunch. They love it so much and they're very healthy. So guys, cook with me. back again to the laundry area, and I'm going to transfer this blanket to the spinner so that it may squeeze the water out of the blanket for rinsing. I really don't know whether this blanket will fit in here, but let's see, guys. Guys, we're going to wash the blanket number 2. This is the baby's blanket. Back again to the kitchen department, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little salt to taste, and I'm going also to add margarine to taste and make it delicious. Guys, I'm going also to add boiled beans. I had boiled beans earlier, so I'm going to add so that I may blend all together. This is the food for 1.5 years old, so it's a food for babies. So for the second blanket, we are going to follow the same procedure. That is wash, spin, and put aside so that we may, after we are done, we may drain the water and add clean water so that we may rinse all the 3 blankets. Though after this, I'm going to add another blanket for washing So guys, I know you are wondering why I'm not rinsing from this area, but mind you, we don't have water. There was a water shortage in our home area, so bear with me guys. So guys, this washing machine is a lifesaver. Just look at those blankets, the way they are coming out clean and very dry. If you look closely, you can see how clean they are. And I'm going to rinse and of course and dry them for 1 hour. And we are done. And for this is the third blanket, we are going to wash it. This is the huge blanket. I even don't know whether it will fit well, and I think we have water shortage, so I'm going to add water. And of course, I don't know whether this sheet is going to fit in there. I'm just wondering what to do, but I'm going to keep it aside and wait for the blanket because I think the space is too small. This is a 6 kg washing machine. It's not that huge. So guys, um let's see how it goes.
Oh no!
As you can see guys, we are done with the first blanket. It's very clean. And for the second and the third blanket, I'll have to rinse them again because the water has become so dark and it does not look so good.